spiritual warfare and the paranormal investigator. Yeah, when you hear spiritual warfare, you sort of think, Hollywood's version of The Exorcist, and all those sort of wonderful things, people's heads spinning around, and pea soup, that sort of stuff. Well, it's a much bigger thing. Okay, Hollywood has a lot to answer for. And what I'm going to do today is give you a little bit of a rundown, like a bit of an idea of what, I come from a Catholic Christian, I suppose, point of view. So anyone that I upset, I apologise beforehand. But if I hear you hissing, there will be an exorcism. So
I got the holy water in the car.
You got the holy water?
Yeah, we're good.
It's so some